Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas here in Panay News Tonight. Western Visayas recorded 300 COVID-19 recoveries on Wednesday. With this, cases of the viral disease in the region seem to be declining. Based on case bulletin number 236 of the Department of Health in Western Visayas, Region 6 had a total of 16,094 recoveries and only 2,036 active cases. Here's the breakdown of the total number of COVID-19 recoveries by city or province in Western Visayas. Meanwhile, Negros Occidental recorded the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the region with 5,275, followed by Bacolod City with 5,177 and Iloilo City with 4,255. Governor Defensor Jr. wants to make sure that operators in Iloilo would follow the national government's guidelines on the resumption of cockfighting activities. Thus, he wants to assign police personnel in cockfighting arenas. According to the governor, there should be police officers in cockfighting events to ensure that people wear face masks and face shields and observe proper social distancing.
So right now, we are finalizing an executive order to further implement this. We will finalize this within then. We will issue, buligan lang natin ang munisipyo natin sa pag-implement sini by assigning a police officer to monitor the conduct of cockfight.
Defensor's decision came after reports of online cock derby in the town of Haniway. Under National Interagency Task Force Resolution number 79, in-person audience, online or remote betting, and the live broadcasting of cockfights shall not be permitted. Wearing of face shields is now mandatory in public places in Bacolod City. Residents caught violating the order would be penalized. Under City Ordinance 944, face shields aside from face masks shall be worn inside supermarkets, public markets, malls, all enclosed workplaces, and public utility vehicles, among others. Section 4 of the ordinance provides that any person who fails to wear properly face mask and face shield or observe proper social distancing shall be penalized with a fine of 200 pesos or 8 hours of community service for every violation. Meanwhile, if the violator is not a resident of Bacolod, he or she would be fined 300 pesos. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is Panay News, the #1 digital and printed news in the region. Don't forget to always wear face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, Western Visayas. See you again tomorrow evening.